Hello guys, I would like to show you StreamCam Logitech unboxing. For all the streamers out there, or planning to be a streamer, I came across a very cheap but well worth it StreamCam. By the way, the current prices online in Amazon US is about $155 and in Amazon Australia is about $183. If you prefer eBay, it is surprisingly very cheap, which is about $120 for eBay US and $169 for eBay Australia. Even though I bought it at JB Hi-Fi for about $183 Australian dollar, which they normally price at $279, I thought I got lucky when they matched the price we saw at Amazon. You'll get to inspect your product and take advantage of the cheaper price online. To help you out in deciding if you wanted to buy this product, it receives 4.1 stars in Google with 430 reviewers and 4.5 stars in Amazon with 956 global reviewers. This 1080 pixel 60 frames per second StreamCam comes with a free 3-month XSplit premium license. In my honest opinion, if you're looking for a webcam to put at the center of your next video capture setup, the StreamCam is a superb way to go. This specific StreamCam can capture portrait mode or landscape mode depending on how you place the camera in the holder. Inside the box contains the webcam, 2 webcam holder, and a manual. Like the name suggests, Logitech are catering to the whims of content creators here. This specific StreamCam has been designed to slide into any existing broadcasting setup that relies on software like XSplit and OBS with ease. Of course, if you're someone who isn't already tied to either, the StreamCam is armed with a few unique features tied to Logitech Capture. If you opt to use the cam with Logitech's own software, you'll get automated exposure optimization, AI-enabled smart framing, and real-time image stabilization and more. The smart framing in particular is really cool. Furthermore, the webcam mounting is fairly basic and simple to use. If however you prefer using a tripod, it is capable of mounting to a tripod, however, this needs to be purchased separately. And that's it for the latest with our StreamCam Logitech 2021. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel.